Hello dear traders, and welcome to another update on the market. For today I decided to cover euro versus US dollar. I will speak about crude oil, gold and Bitcoin versus US dollar. I will start with the euro versus US dollar first. So basically on the 4-hour time frame, as you can see here on my chart here, I placed this volume profile, and we found it in this whole area here, which started from March 4th. We got the volume point to control, or the fairest price where the business has been conducted, at 1.0991 level. That level is acting like a very strong support this morning, and we got a very nice and strong rally from the opening of the Europe session. And it's a kind of climatic, and I can say it's more like aggressive kind of bottoming, you know, with a left tail basically at the low here. So from my perspective, my short midterm structure is still didn't change. Basically, I still expect upside price on the euro as long the euro can hold above this 1.0950 and ultimately above the 1.0900 level, which is this key low here. We have also a rising trend line, and the market is also respecting the rising trend line if you place on this way. My advice to watch for buying opportunities on the intraday pullbacks, and eventually watch for the upside objectives at 1.1070 and 1.1120 and 30. And basically the bigger picture, we can place this together. We can take this tool, just go for all of this area, and you will find that this is the ultimate objective based on this massive volume point to control at 1.1310. Speaking of gold market, so gold market is basically trading very flat. We can see that basic middle Keltner line is more sideways, and the price section is just flat. I would like to see if we can clear, if the price can clear 1948, which is a 20 pips higher from here, in order to eventually open the door for this kind of scenario, for the price to go towards the 1986. But if that is not possible, and if we don't see that, if we see the market take downside, then this pin bar low can be in the play, or this pin bar area can be on the retest. Now, it's very hard to say at this stage. We don't have any evidence of any bigger demand and supply, so I will watch for a potential breakout first, and then try to anticipate either eventually this downside structure to retest the low, or in case of the upside breakout, to if there is a breakout and follow through, and then potential objective around 1986. Speaking of the crude oil, there was a nice sell-off, but that's totally normal because market was sitting into the extreme, and it's totally normal that market will have some kind of a shakeout before the further upside. Something similar we had at this stage here, as you see the aggressive sell-off towards the 4-day, 5-day middle Keltner line. So I still expect the crude oil to continue to go upside towards 113.20, try to attack 114.25. and maybe even build higher. But for now, watch for buying opportunities on the pullbacks, intraday pullbacks, with the upside objective around 113.40. Speaking of the Bitcoin versus US dollar, we managed to break this consolidation, this stage, and hold on this rising for our middle Keltner line. And that's basically a 4-day moving average, and we can see the market is probably trying to test this upper reference point, which I will say it's around 44,300 zone. And then we also got highs at 45,700 and 45,300. So I think, watching for a pullbacks, intraday pullbacks towards the upper reference points will be a preferable strategy under the current condition. That'll be all for this update. I hope that you did enjoy. Have a good day, trade safe, and see you all tomorrow morning.